going to show how to install MySQL Server 8.0.31. So first, let's see how to download the software. Open browser and type download MySQL. Just click on MySQL downloads. Make sure that you are in mysql.com/downloads and go to downloads tab if you're not already in this tab. Scroll down and you will see different editions. Here we have MySQL Enterprise Edition, which is licensed version, MySQL cluster, which is kind of advanced. I'm going to make it simple for this video. We can use MySQL Community Edition, which is free to use. Just click on it and you will see various downloads here. Go to MySQL Community Server. Here in this page you can see the MySQL's Community Server 8.0.31 and the operating system, for which operating system we want to download, and the version. Here I want to download for CentOS, which is the compatible is Red Hat Linux, and mine is CentOS 7, so I'll take Red Hat Linux 7. Here you will see various downloads here bottom, and if you want previous versions, you can go, you can click on this and you can go to previous versions and you can download. For now I'm downloading 8.0.31. Here we need to download this RPM bundle. You can notice that the size is around 864.1 MB and remaining all are less size. So I'll take the complete bundle. Just click on download. It will download the software. So I have already downloaded the software and I have moved it to CentOS server. Here this is CentOS 7. Now this is where I downloaded the software. Now these are the files extracted from this star file. The installation is very simple. Just go to the directory where you have entered the software. Here in this case U01, yum install MySQL community star. Okay, looks like I need to enable my Wi-Fi to download remaining RPMs, the dependent RPMs. Now I'll try again. So if you have internet connection, it's going to download. Otherwise you have to download it yourself and keep it ready for this installation. So in this case it has already internet connection, so it's going to download while the installation going on. So I'm just confirming it for the installation. Proceed. Yes. Now the installation completed. So once installation completion, we need to check the configuration file, that is /etc/my.cnf. This is MySQL configuration file. This is where all the information will be available, like what is the data directory and what is the socket and where is the MySQL d.log, all these details. So let's see this cat. Here this is the data directory location. This is where all the data files are located, and this is the socket file location, and this is the log file location, and this is the PID. So when you first install MySQL, to log into the MySQL as root user, here I mean MySQL admin account is as a root user, you need to have a password, right? So that will be available in mysqld.log. So that is for the first login. Once you log in first time, you have to change the password. Otherwise, it won't allow you to do any other operations in the database. So let's check the password. Yeah. So first time you need to start the MySQL, then only it will populate password information in mysqld.log. So if you see here, we just installed the software, but we haven't started yet. So the status shows here inactive. So let's start the MySQL. Now the MySQL started. It is in active state. So it has some information, and let's get the password. Here, this is the default password given by MySQL for the first time login. Please notice that here root is not a OS root. Here we are using MySQL admin account. So I just used this password to log in as root user, admin user. Now if I try to check the databases, it just throws error because as part of initial configuration, we have to change the password. So just for the sake of example, I'm showing this. See, here you must reset your password using alter user before executing this statement. So first we need to change the password of root. So I change the password. Now we will be able to see the databases, and also we can do other operations. Select version. This is the version we installed, 8.0.31. And also as part of this installation, it will create a user ID MySQL at OS level. So this is MySQL user ID will be created as part of installation. So since here you logged in as root user and you installed, and if you want to perform general operations, you can use MySQL user ID. By default, you won't be able to log in as MySQL user ID because it is restricted. So if you want, you can do few changes to log in as MySQL. Oh, here I'm able to log in because earlier I just created this installation and modified, but still I'll show you how to make changes. So here I just logged in as MySQL user, and let's connect and see if you're able to see the databases. This is the version. Here I logged in as MySQL user. Now if you are installing first time, you won't be able to log in as MySQL user. um, The method which I'm going to show to log in as MySQL, it is not recommended on production systems. If it is a test system, you can try. If it is production system, contact your Linux administrator to make changes accordingly. So go to /etc password file. So here it says /bin/bash. This is what I've changed earlier. But if you install first time and if you notice it, you will see this option here, slash has been slash no login. So you have to change it to /bin/bash and then save and quit, and then you will be able to log in as MySQL. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.